Welcome to my comprehensive review of Curve, the all-in-one payment app that's revolutionizing how we manage our finances. In this video, I'll take you on a detailed walkthrough of the app, from setup to daily use, sharing my honest user experience along the way. To start, Curve is designed to simplify your financial life by consolidating all your debit and credit cards into a single card and app. Once you download the app and sign up, the process to link your cards is quick and intuitive. The app uses advanced encryption to ensure your information stays secure, and the interface is sleek and user-friendly, perfect for both tech-savvy users and beginners. Point one of Curve's standout features is its go-back-in-time function, which allows you to move transactions from one card to another up to 30 days after the purchase. This is a game-changer for anyone managing multiple accounts, especially when budgeting or tracking expenses. Curve also shines in its cashback rewards program. Depending on your subscription tier, you can earn cashback from select retailers, which is automatically applied to your Curve account. The subscription tiers range from free to premium plans, each offering additional perks like higher cashback rates, travel insurance, and even access to exclusive airport lounges. For travelers, Curve is a must-have. It offers real-time currency exchange at interbank rates, with no hidden fees, making it incredibly convenient for international purchases. The app also lets you monitor your spending in multiple currencies, keeping everything organized in one place. Security is a top priority with Curve. The app provides instant notifications for every transaction, allowing you to track spending in real time and spot any unusual activity. You can also freeze your card immediately if it's lost or stolen. In my experience, using Curve has significantly streamlined my financial management. Instead of juggling multiple cards, I simply use my Curve card, and the app handles the rest. Whether it's tracking expenses, earning rewards, or managing international payments, Curve delivers on its promises. If you're considering using Curve, I highly recommend trying out their free plan to see if it meets your needs. From there, you can explore premium options if you find value in the additional benefits. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and personal finance tips. See you in the next video.